Thank you. Thank you so much, Francis, for speaking up.
No problem. Thanks.
Okay, so let me go back to this. Okay, so let me go back to the inventory. Take a look at the inventory. Green is last year, 2021. Year before, 2020, 1918. Have you noticed the trend? It's gone down. Notice the end of the year, it's gone down. In order for the housing market to crash, this number has to be going up. It's not even the worst this year was as much as all last year and the 2 years before. So the key market, and you can look at that the number of houses in the market is down from last year by 46% and 2 years ago by 35%. So you can see there's way less inventory in the market. And that would be the number one sign, if it was increasing, that we're facing some sort of housing crash. The number of new listings, and you can see it's gone down. So you'll often hear an article, oh my gosh, no new listings has dropped. Well, yeah, but every year in December, the listings drop because some homeowners don't want to sell their house during the holiday season. They have their Christmas trees up, the presents are out, they're traveling, they're on vacation, kids are off, who knows why, a million reasons. Some people want to buy in December, some don't, but more don't than do. Under contract, you'll see a statistic, oh, homes under contract dropped by 25%. Well, yeah, but that happens every year. Again, this year, we still have under contract 10% more than last year and 32% more than the year before. So we still have a nice, healthy market of properties under contract. So we have more sales going on, less inventory left. Overall sales, you can see the jagged edge. And again, you'll see statistics released. Housing sales down from December or from November. But you can see seasonally it goes down over time typically. But the number of solds up 10% over last year, up 34% over 2 years ago. The last 2 years were record years, right? Record years. And then this is off-market properties. Now, this is national statistics. Again, the key thing is the source. Teradata sells data. They're a data provider that very sophisticated companies buy this data, but more specific, so they can analyze it in detail. And they give out this for free as a way to entice people to buy their data, but they're not selling your data. You don't have to sign up for anything here. They're not going to send your information to a real estate agent or to an investor or a lender to get you to buy. So that's why I like this particular data set. Questions on this? I went through this quickly, but to me, this is the best source of data for the national market there is.